Okay, in this video, I'll be going over the Coinbase One card or the Coinbase credit card. I'll be telling you all the things that you would get when it comes to the credit card. I'll be doing like the unboxing. I might show the full video. I'm still undecided. 6-7. But anyway, I'll be going over the Coinbase One card, the perks that you can get with it, the pros and cons, or whether I think that the Coinbase One card is good for people who are trying to get crypto back. But before we get started, make sure you hit the like button. It helps YouTube algorithm. It helps YouTube know that this is quality content and help my videos reach a broader audience. Show you, and by the way, guys, I do have the Coinbase One card. By the way, the sponsors, they partnered up with American Express. The card definitely looks nice. I did make a purchase on it so you guys can see everything. So I'm going to go over the pros, the cons. I'll show you what the card looks like, and I'll actually show onto my Coinbase account that you can see that I got cash back within Bitcoin or Bitcoin cash back. And by the way, I created timestamps so you can skip around. Okay, so here's the unboxing part. Okay guys, it looks like the black card officially came. So what I'm going to do is open it up. It came in a FedEx package. Now, pretty nice. It's pretty nice how, oops, it ended up nice black pattern. Black envelope. Yeah, I am in my car. You guys might be thinking, why I didn't open in my house? I was just like, why not in the car? Different scenery, very nice. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to I guess this video could be like an unboxing. So when my car's a little junky. And stuff like that, but oh well. Nice. I like how it ended up coming in. It says Bitcoin. I can't quite make out what it says Coinbase and once I'll take that off. A peer electric cash system. Very nice. Abstract. Wording is nice. Great presentation. Let's see. Put this over here, guys, so you can see that. Let me open this too, so you can see that it's pretty nice. Ooh, nice. You open it. This is exactly how it comes. Nice, very nice. Feels pretty thick. The back side, of course, got a little weight to it. Feel like it's it's not like super thin. Not set up, but card. It feels nice. Looks pretty good. But this is what the card looks like, and this is, I guess, the unveiling of the card. Okay, so here is all the details about the Coinbase One card. It says you can earn up to 4% Bitcoin back on every purchase. Now make sure you watch the full video so you can know how it actually will work. But as you can see, now let's scroll down. By the way, they actually have the barcode if you want to end up scanning the barcode to take you straight to the app on the website. Now, as you can see, they start with 2%, and then they have 2.5. They have 2% cash back, then 2.5% cash back, then 3%, then 4%. I'm just going to give you a spoiler. The money that you have cash back will depend on how much crypto you have on the Coinbase platform. Now, so these are the most important things that you would need to know. No annual fees with Coinbase One. No foreign transaction fees. See if you're approved with no credit score impact. So that's pretty good. So even though there's no annual fee for Coinbase One, there is a catch. You have to be a Coinbase One member in order to get the card. That's one of the downsides about that, by the way. And this is what the card looked like. It gotta give me the Matrix type back black card feel. Um, by American Express is on the American Express network, so you know it's legit. Now, as we scroll, like I said, as we scroll down, it says maximize your experience with Coinbase One. This credit card is exclusively available to Coinbase One members. In order to become a Coinbase One member, it's $4.99 a month, $50 a year. Now, here is what I will say about this. So, I would normally say if you don't have Coinbase already, or if you already don't have, or you don't plan on buying cryptocurrency on Coinbase, then because you would have to be a member first, and that's for $49.99, it probably wouldn't be worth it. But if you look at for Coinbase One members, what Coinbase One members get, if you do trade, if you do trade or buy a good amount of crypto on the platform, or if you have a good position of crypto, um, it could be beneficial. So, for example, it says zero trading fees for the first $500 a month. So, as you know, whenever you buy or sell crypto, it's going to cost a fee. So, if you're, trading a couple hundred, even like even $100 or $200 a month, it'll probably definitely be worth it. Also, if you're a member, it looks like the APY would normally be 3.85, but if you're a member, you're getting 4.25%. So that's a big difference as well. Also, you get 5% more staking rewards for Ethereum, Solana, and other eligible assets. That could be good, pretty good. Now, in this one, it says 10% a month in sponsors smart wallet for gas fees. I don't really get coins and stuff regarding like the gas fees and stuff, but you get 120 transaction credit on base. So it says 10% dollar. It says 10% a month in sponsor smart wallet gas on base. So you could definitely save a lot of money here. Material of the card is stainless steel. Weight 17 grams. Provider American Express. This is the envelope that it came in. As you can see, hopefully, I don't know if you guys can see the writing on it. It says Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electric cash system, abstract, a purely peer-to-peer, and it actually have the definition of what Bitcoin is. So I really like this. I'll actually probably keep this. Um, you open it, nice like that. Of course, I'm not going to show the black, but the back, but nice steel card. I don't know if you can. So it's pretty stable, right? Oops, pretty stable. Now this is like the card actually have it backwards, but nice card. Black, kind of remind me of a black card. That's probably why I ended up getting it. But yeah, so you guys have that. So here's the tier rate right here. So it says the first tier 2%. If you have any assets under $10,000, you'll get 2% Bitcoin. I'll just say Bitcoin cash back. The next one was tier level 2, 2.5% cash back or Bitcoin back. That one would be for assets between $10,000 and $50,000. Tier 3, 3%. For the assets between 50 and 100. Oops, 50 and 199,000. And for tier 4, you would for if you have any assets over 200,000, you would get a 4% reward cashback. That's how they had up to 4. Um, and they have all the like the terms and agreements and stuff like that. So it's, for example, say tier 2 reward rates applies to the first $10,000 in eligible purchasing per category per calendar month, with a 2% reward rate for all other purchases that exceeds above the $10,000. So the next, that's if you're spending that much. Tier 3, same way, you get 3% for the first Bitcoin cash back for the first $10,000 eligible purchases per calendar month, and anything above that you get the 2% for all other purchases that exceed. Same way, but for tier 4 you get 4% for the first 10,000 on the first $10,000, and then after that you would get 2% all after anything that exceeds $10,000 per month. So I hope that explained everything. And what I'll have is on the screen, when I go to my Coinbase app, I'll show you. I only made one purchase. The purchase that I made for Coinbase was, I think I just went to the gas station to see what everything. I just went to the gas station just to test it out. The first purchase. They also have it where on the site I'll have it. I guess have it up on the screen somewhere. Um, oops. Yeah, have it up on the screen, where you can manage it. They show you the rewards. They also have it where you can never miss a payment. You can set up auto payment. And the one that I currently have, I just went to the gas station and bought some candy. The candy was $2.85, and then I would get my rewards is six cents, 60 cent worth of Bitcoin. But yeah, guys, that concludes everything. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're interested in the card, I'll probably have an affiliate link below. But in conclusion, I think this card would only be really beneficial for people who use Coinbase and they buy and sell crypto, a good amount of crypto on the platform. I think it would be great. But if you already don't have Coinbase, then to me it's not worth it because you would still have to become a Coinbase One member, and that's $49.99. So in the 2% cash back, it would just be better for you to just um, get another card that has 2% cash back, or maybe a different type of card. But if you already have the Coinbase, if you already have a Coinbase account, or if you already the buy crypto, if you already have a Coinbase account and you already buy crypto on Coinbase, especially regularly, I think you can really benefit from the Coinbase One card, especially if you have a good amount of assets on Coinbase as well. By the way, I did the math, so roughly, so you would have to, in order to cover that $49.99, you have to at least do 2,000. You have to spend $2,500 in order for it to justify the 2% cash back to be equivalent to that $50. That's why I'm saying I think it would only be worth it if you already have a Coinbase account and you're already buying crypto on the account. So that way you would be end up saving on a lot of trading fees that you would have gotten anyway. That would have been more than $5. So you would have been saving a good amount there, and then you can get the cash back. And as well, if you also have a lot of other assets, you would get a higher yield on your USDC. So there is a lot of benefits for people who already end up trading crypto on the platform. But if you don't, then I mean whatever. And then you have like the nice little black card. Doesn't look like a black card. I mean like the black card that everyone likes, but it does look like a smooth card. I did it, for the video, the fact that like the black card, and I do buy crypto, so I do buy some. I probably will buy a little bit more crypto, simply because they have the free trading fees up to the first $500. But I believe I covered everything. Hopefully I did. Hopefully I didn't end up skipping anything. But if you have any questions, let me know. But that concludes this video. If you tell me, what do you think about the Coinbase One card? Would you get it? But that concludes everything. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Out.